Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alice, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I created two types of vases using wallpaper. So stay tuned and let's get started. For this one, I'm using this abstract faces wallpaper, and you also need a Pringle can. I went ahead using a tape measure and measured the diameter of the Pringle, and I think it was about 23.5, give or take, make it 24 centimeters, and also the length of it, which is around 24. You just leave some allowance, and this is the section that I'm gonna cut out the face. So I went ahead and measured the diameter and also the length of the Pringle can and cut it out using a crafty knife. Once your piece is ready, now it's time to glue it together. I'm gonna use a hot glue to glue the wallpaper into the Pringle can, just like this. This is the best and the cheapest option of having vases in your home, and you can change them wherever you feel like, depending on the season and your mood. Then I went ahead with a pair of scissors and trimmed the bottom end of the can. And here is the finished product. And this is how I styled the vase using wheatgrass. For the next DIY, we're going to use wallpaper, but this time it's going to be an adhesive wallpaper. You will need the Pringles can and the wallpaper. I'm using this mural.com abstract wallpaper, and I went ahead and roll over the Pringle can just to measure the amount of wallpaper that I will need to cover it, and I used my crafty knife and cut it out. I used a ruler to cut out the paper just to have a clean cut. The wallpaper is self-adhesive, so it was easier just to peel it out and place the can in the middle of the wallpaper and just wrap it around it. You can use a card just to smoothen out any bubble that may appear. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you've not subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Then I went ahead and cut out any excess wallpaper and smoothened it out. For the top part, I went ahead and used a pair of scissors and cut out a few lines just like the way I've done it, and just tuck it in just to have that smooth finish. For the bottom end, I went ahead and cut out the excess wallpaper using a pair of scissors, and then later on I moved on to using the crafty knife because I wanted to cut it close to the can as possible, so the can will be able to stand on its own without falling off when I put some flowers on it. So try and do that. You can use a crafty knife or anything that you feel is comfortable for you to do this. So this is such a simple DIY. You can use different type of wallpapers, and the best thing is you can go to the shops and get a sample of the wallpaper that you like and do this DIY. So it's going to cost you absolutely free to come up with something so unique and different from everyone else. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will love to hear from you. If you're planning to do this DIY, you can share your pictures with me. And voila, here is our finished product. And this is how I styled the vase using pampas grass. You can add flowers, you can add sticks, you can add whatever you feel that will be suitable for the area you want to decorate. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, you can let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite vase. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.